We are all taught to survive, but not everyone is given the equal right to truly live. Every morning, this is Angeline's routine. Wear her uniform to go to school. As they always say, education is the key to success. But what Penny didn't realize was that for people like her, an indigenous youth, especially for her parents, that chance was once out of reach. Their past was never easy. Before she could walk freely on this path, they had to fight for it.
May buntag lang. Eskwela na pud ka.
Yes po.
Grabe ka swerte sa mga bata karon no, lahin ra gid ato sa una. Amping kanunay Lin, tarong ang eskwela ha.
Their past was not easy at all.
Ano mo dyan? Dito, boss? Yeah.
Sir, base nakita kong duwang ang tao. Pwede ka mo trabaho bisa nun sa.
Ikaw, dito. Sure ka ba?
Ano ba ako niya mo, boss? Muto ka nga kabalo na mo trabaho?
Lus ka na? Di mo guys, siguro nakabalo mo gamit ang martilyo?
Kabalo ko. Suwayan ko. Sir, pero di ko mangayog ako nga sweldo.
Dili ni madawat og inyong klase. Just look at you.
Unsa nga klase?
Taga-bukid ka. Umuwi ka doon at magbungkal ikaw ng halaman. Yun ang bagay sa iyo.
Sige, salamat na lang.
They did not just refuse to hire them, they refused to see them as human.
Ma'am, pwede ko mo-open sa klase? Maski dito lang ko sa likod. Makaton lang ko mabasa o musulat. Ha? Ikaw? Mas mulingog pa ko kaysa sa uban. Mulimpyo man sad ko. Basta lang.
Wala kay papilis, wala po kay apelyido diri. O bas hindi po kasabot sa tinuod nga klase. Maong balik na lang sa inyong lugar.
Sa man siya, oy, digid ka sabot. Muto ka gusto niya mo eskwela.
While others her age were taught letters and numbers, her mother was taught that learning was not for people like her.
Ma'am, taas ka yung nilangat sa ko, Papa. Sige po siya ubuhon. Pwede may magpa-check out. PhilHealth, documents, barangay clearance. Wala may papeles, pero pwede mo mabayad ini trabaho niya balik.
Ay, pimanday mo? Dili mo dawat kung wala may record din eh.
Ma, bisan tambal lang sa ubo. Bahalag tansan lang.
Balik na lang mo kung kumpleto mo. Next!
Lisod yun basta taga-bukid. Walay lugar sa sistema.
They were asked for papers, requirements, but ironically, everyone ignored how her grandfather already struggled to breathe. Change didn't happen overnight, but slowly, people began to understand.
Money mo Joel.
They didn't just open doors for them, they finally let them walk through. Her mother was once deprived of the right to education. Now here she is, learning freely.
So, kinsa diri ang maka-explain kung sa ang human rights? Yes, Angeline, go ahead.
She excels not because she's favored, but because she earned the spot. They earned the spot.
Very good. Makita gyud nato nga naminaw siya, no? Everyone do the AOM clap for Angeline.
Congrats, Lynn. Ikaw ganda mo top score sa quiz. Grabe ka karon.
Top scorer, day ka? Libre ako, bi. Okay? Come over.
They once said that people like her didn't belong in classrooms. Now, she teaches inside one.
Imagine a world where you can be whatever you want, do whatever you love. Freedom. F R E E D O M. Freedom. Freedom is something our parents once dreamed of, but today we can learn it, speak it, and live it.
This is not just her story. It's for everyone who was once told that they didn't belong.
Kabalo ka na? Proud ka ayon ni Papa sa imo. Ikaw ang nagpadayon sa amo ang mga pangandoy sa imo ang amahan. Sulit kaayo amo ang mga sakripisyo para sa imo.
Grabe, oh. Teacher na. Inspirasyon pa. Padayon lang, anak. Narami ni mama ni mo sa'yo mag-suporta.
I carry your struggles with me, Ma, Pa. Dalo na ako tayong share sa ako and I will turn them into change. Not just for us, but for every child, for every cultural community who deserves better.
Sa una, ang ilang katungod gikuha, ang ilang tingog ginapahilo. But today, they live with dignity, not as outsiders asking for mercy, but as rightful owners of every human right. Ang ilang respeto, ilang kahigayunan, ilang katungod. Ganun.